student of standard 6. So welcome in our new session of English 1. Here is our worksheet and today we are starting our revision in worksheet. Okay, ये आपको notebook में करना है. Select the most appropriate option. Van Gogh used dash paint for his painting. It's B, very thick. How do you think would Van Gogh have made the mark on his painting? Is firmly B. The poet made dash with green grass. The meaning of was through is completed. Since when did people start making sea water drinkable? The ancient Greeks. तब से start कर दिया. David and Pat led a horse. वो क्या लेके आए? Horse लेकर आए आग बुझाने के लिए. What had chiefly caused the fire is the sailor. It's a piece of furniture. What would do the water source for David and his parents later? These are well. What was Pat hired for? To look after sheep in the pasture. How many buckets did David bring to fill the water barrel? Is C6. Okay. Now here true or false. So Van Gogh belonged to Germany. No, he belonged to Netherlands. So it's wrong. Van Gogh used very thick paint. So yes, no, it's wrong. Van Gogh painted, very thin paint. So it's wrong. जो thick use करते थे. Van Gogh painted more than 900 painting lights. Less than 1% of earth water is drinkable. It's wrong. This desalination is the process of removing salt from sea water. It's right. David's house was self-made. It's right. The smoke coming from a cellar window. It's right. Pat congratulated David for helping him to extinguish the fire. It's right. The dry lumber in the cellar had caught fire. It's right. Pat had David with the fans work. It's wrong. Okay. So आपको ये तो नोटबुक में करना ही है. होमवर्क डू इन नोटबुक. आफ्टर दिस एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग quotes इन योर ओन वर्ड. फर्स्ट है हमारा कलर आर द स्माइल ऑफ नेचर ली बाय ली हंट एंड कलर स्पीक ऑल लैंग्वेज जोसेफ एडिशन. ये दिए हुए हमारे पेज नंबर 11 एक्टिविटी 5. ओके, दीज आर हियर on page number 11 activity 5. Colors are smile of nature. Lee Hunt. So colors play an outstanding role in human life. As is quote by Lee Hunt, dictate nature herself has blazed the earth with color. We find various color in different objects of nature and it seems that they are smile of nature. And next one is color speak all language by Joseph Addison. To the quote right, the Joseph Addison, he says color speak all language. It is true, color are a sign of language. Different color indicate different moods, sign, significance and so like red means stop, green means go and yellow means walk, etc. Okay, so write in notebook. Next question is our read the following text and answer the following question. Page number 21 activity 2. ओके, तो ये है हमारा पेज नंबर 21 एक्टिविटी 2. Here page number 21 activity 2. In unit 1 you looked at the picture art. The puzzle box is also a puzzle. There are many strange faces and animals hiding in this picture. This picture was published long ago in 1872. In the picture are 3 birds that are not hidden. They are in the tree on the left. They are passenger pigeon. Passenger pigeon were once the most common birds on the planet. These birds sadly can no longer be found in the real world. They are extinct. Loss of forest and too much hunting caused them to die out. The last known passenger pigeon was named Martha. Martha died in zoo in America in 1914. So look closely. Is text according question answer. How many animals are hiding in this picture? Name them. To 6 animals are hiding in this picture. They are a wild dog, a deer, a wolf, a tiger, a bridled horse and an elephant. How many strange faces are hiding in this picture? Pick them out and name them. So about 10 human faces are hiding in the picture. Some of them are the woman and long hair and some men. One man is with mustache. What was the picture published? When was the picture published and which are not hidden birds? So the picture was published long ago in 1872. 3 passenger pigeons are not hidden birds. What is the recent life status of passenger pigeon? So passenger pigeon were once the most common bird on the planet. These birds are no longer found in the real world, they are extinct. Next is, what are the reason of extinction of passenger pigeon? To loss of forest and too much hunting cause passenger pigeon to die out. They are extinct today. Next is, what do you know about Martha? The Martha was the last non-passenger pigeon. Martha died in a zoo in America in 1914. Okay, so here you have to write down in your notebook. Next one is on page number 30, paragraph 2. Page number 30, paragraph 2. Okay, so this one, it's called desalination, the process of removing salt from seawater so that people can use it. In fact, people have been making seawater drinkable since the time of ancient Greek. The old way was to heat the water until to turn the steam. The steam would rise, leaving the salt behind. The steam would be cooled, condensed back into water and then collected. This method worked well in small amount, but heating the water to boil take a lot of fuel. Because of the need to so much fuel, desalination enough water for cities, state and nation is usually too costly. However, as technology improves and fresh water become less plentiful, scientists and engineers look for new way to make desalination less costly. So here, what is desalination? Desalination is the process of removing salt from seawater. What method of making seawater drinkable in practice? Since the time of the ancient Greeks, so people have been making seawater drinkable since the time of the ancient Greek by desalination. Why could the method of desalination not be practiced on a longer scale? So the method of desalination could not be practiced because this method is too costly and work well in small amount. So do in notebook. So we will meet again next session. Till then, bye. Thank you very much.